Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to share our today plan and actually what action we are going to take to grow or rank our YouTube channel. So right now I want to show you something that is very negative. Let me show you in my computer screen. You see right now this is my e-commerce thesis YouTube channel and I'm going to my English channel. Here is my English channel, you see. So let me show you the current situation. Everything has been down, you see. Look here. The ranking has been down very bad, especially if you look on the subscribe and in here. Okay. So that's why we're going to take action from today in my YouTube channel, and that will be, of course, we keep Shopify tutorials, but why my channel go down? This is actual reason is that right now AI make everything easy, and AI already reflects the easy and simple text. That's why the audience not actually need the content that I have record in previous years or like 1 to 3 years ago, everything updated. And as AI kill my channel growth, I want to use AI to grow my channel again and make much money from my YouTube channel. Use this YouTube channel as a marketing tools, as a client hunting tools, and as one of the main income source. So that's why my plan is that today I start making multiple video. As you know, we are starting working together, and in this multiple video, first of all, I will try to record long video, minimum 5 long video today I want to record. Then I will try to record the shorts video, and that's why I'm keeping everything ready in here so that we can make everything neat and clean and we can record our video in a nice way. So what is the message in this video? So in this video, actually, I want to share to my follower that is very relevant for your business development. Right now, success does not depend on hard work, because hard work does not work to make you successful. So what actually make you successful? Let me show you in details. New word coming in here. That's called, you see there is no video continuously upload in my YouTube channel. I take a lots of break to upload in here, and let me go back my another channel, e-commerce thesis. Then you can realize, you see in here, look at the growth, because I upload video consistently and I keep focus on consistency in this YouTube channel. So that is the main message of this video. What actually you have to do to grow your dropshipping business, your e-commerce business, that is consistency. So if you can work keeping consistency, then you must do success on your business. So that's why this is the very powerful message for every e-commerce business entrepreneur or any content creator, freelancer, Shopify developer, for anyone from my YouTube channel. You must have to keep consistency. If you can work consistently, then you can success and make a growth of your YouTube channel. So let's see how much we can improve in this week, and I will make another video to show you how actually we have few performance, or how actually we grow our channel, like working keep consistency. So stay connected. Now we're going to make a new video relevant AI, how we can add AI in our daily life, how we can add AI in Shopify, in e-commerce business, in client hunting, customer management, also how we use AI to grow our personal business. So if you are very beginner, want to learn how to survive in AI era and how to use AI to make much money, then you can follow my YouTube channel and you can subscribe it and stay connected with us to watch more video to learn Shopify store design, development, customization, SEO, also AI. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.